Hello guys, this is Tholi Truck. Today I'm going to show you guys two lamps that I got from Amazon. They're LED and they put out 2700 lumens. I think these lamps are really nice. I'm going to do an open box and an installations, and I'll show you guys how bright they are and compared to my old ones that I also got from Amazon. And let's get to it. Okay, got two lamps here. They look kind of professional right out of the box here. Let me see. Right, guys, I got two of these lamps from Amazon. I'm gonna do an open box and installations. These lamps are 42 watt and they put out 3700 luminous. It's in Amazon for $80, but then there's a coupon in there for $20 off. So I'm gonna install them and let's see how bright they are. Alright, let's open this box out. First of all, the plate on top. Okay. This should be that hard.
Cloud, leave him be. Lude's not a bad person. Leave him.
No, I'm not bad. But like it or not,
Alright.
I sometimes have to do bad things.
I bought two of these. They don't the older version. So the installation is pretty much the same as my other old ones. But these are brighter than my other old ones. Plan to put these in my bedrooms. And one probably for upstairs. Maybe, because
Leave us alone.
well, I don't usually go upstairs, so probably put one in the dining room. And one in the bedroom. It's actually not that hard to install. It's really easy.
You know I can't do
The
that.
base here is pretty heavy though. It's probably weigh like 5 pounds. Maybe a little bit less.
You're heading in already?
Yeah, that's enough for one day.
We're heading to bed. I think it's... Sorry.
Alright, that's it. Like I said, it's not that hard to install. It's pretty simple, basic stuff. Then, test this out, see if it's bright. It's kind of crooked here. What's going on? Oh, I didn't take this one off. Okay.
We go on that side. Dinner's ready, in case you're wondering.
Plug it in.
Please. Look, before we sit down, I want you to take the guest room. Gotcha.
Oh, there's battery in here.
You do that, okay?
It usually comes. Wow, I didn't even touch anything. Excuse me, by the way.
Judging by those eyes, I'm guessing you're a
Oh,
soldier.
it doesn't come with any batteries.
Ex-soldier.
Let me see if I can find any.
I hate to ask, but would you leave tonight?
Batteries in there.
No questions. You boys need a trade and a normal life for power. You can't have it both ways. I'm back. Good.
This product doesn't come with a battery. It's a AAA batteries. So if you guys plan to buy one, make sure you have some AAA batteries in stock.
I've never been so proud. The man you've become. Women must be hounding you day and night.
Not really.
You know, there's all kinds of temptations in the big city. I'd feel a lot better if I knew you found a big
They
girl.
actually
Make
have.
sure you didn't get into trouble.
They actually have two sets of controller. Not sure if you guys can see this.
It's your girl.
This one's actually for the small lamps,
Tell you when you're being a silly
and this side actually for the one that pointing towards the ceiling. So I'm gonna turn all the lights off and show you guys how bright this is. First of all, let me turn my lights off. And then there it goes.
Don't understand my welcome.
You were leaving?
So, how do I get to Sector 7?
It's simple enough. Just cut through Sector 6. It isn't exactly safe, but you should be okay, seeing as you're a soldier.
What's going on?
Was one.
Why is it going down?
You'll never talk to Gareth again. Please.
We got it.
1,
Thank
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it goes to 9, and the 10th one goes back to 0.
What are you doing here?
Waiting.
1,
Why?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's the brightest one for the ceiling.
With pleasure.
And I'm gonna turn for the small one. And the small lamps has night option brightness too.
Well? Is something wrong?
It's not.
Oh no.
The underside of Sector 6. Fall market. Real
Let's see
special.
my other lights go.
I'm sure you already knew that, right?
I didn't tell you. I enlisted pretty much right after I left.
Oh, it is brighter than my
I
old
knew
one.
about this place. Or any of this.
So guys, this is it. Okay guys, this is how it looks like after the installations. I will show you all the light modes in a little bit. There's 3 buttons here. This top one here is the power on and off. This middle one here is actually the switch for the light mode, and this one down here is actually the light mode for the small one here. So when you turn it off, it's off right now. When you hit this little switch here, this power on off here, it's on the top here. Only the top ceiling lamp comes on. This side reading lamps, it doesn't come on at all. The only thing that it'll come on is with this remote, with all this left panel side here. That's the only thing that you could turn on and off with the switch. So it does have like a 4 mode. I'll show you. That's the lowest one, second, third, and fourth. Now you could change color too. There's a fifth. Let me see. Hold on. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 brightness. And you could also change the color too. I think there's 4 color. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 color. And the same for the top one here. Let's go 1, 2. No, let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 mode too. Now for the brightness, it goes. Here's this first one, no, second one, and actually third. This is actually the third one. Fourth, this is the brightest one. No, this is the brightest one. Wow. Hold on. Let's back off again. Let's start from
If you win the tournament, I'll transform Eric into a drop-dead gorgeous beauty.
okay, let's back off.
Yes, for the person who got you in. So, what do you say?
Alright.
So okay, let's say that this is 1,
You need this.
2,
They're already letting fighters inside.
3,
You should hurry. Run along.
4, 5,
What's this?
6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. So it has 9 brightness. Yeah, it has 9 mode of brightness. Let me just do one more time just to make sure. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, I was wrong. It has 11 modes. Wow, that's impressive. Okay, it has 11 modes on the top one. Let's see for the bottom one. I think I did the bottom one already, but no, I did. Let's see. I kind of like daylight, so I'm gonna start with daylight. No, I'm gonna start with the lowest one. Okay, this is the lowest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the small one has 10 light brightness mode. It's not bad for the small one. And after this, I will do a comparison with my old one that I got from Amazon too. So would I recommend this light, this lamp? If you are planning to put in the living room, yes, I would recommend it. In the bedroom, yes, I would also recommend it. In the dining room, yes, I will also recommend that too. And if you have a long hallway, that's also good in there too. And I would say that this is a nice lamp. If you ever think about buying a floor lamp, this is the one to go. I mean, it's good looking. It's decent brightness, and it's an affordable lamp. For $60, you got a LED lamp, 2 options, 1 reader and 1 ceiling. I would highly recommend this if you want to buy a lamp, a floor lamp. Alright guys, this is Totally Truck. Thanks again for watching, and if this is your first time watching my channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Alright guys, this is my old one. It only have 1 button here, so it has 1, 2, and 3. It has 3 brightness. 3 brightness only on this one here. This is my old one. It's a little bit cheaper for my my new one that I just got from Amazon. So here's 1, 2, 3. That's it. You only got three options here, and everything from the swivel up here is the same as the new ones. They didn't change that at all. So this is the older version. It's been working great for me. I got it like probably maybe 6 months from now, and it still looks nice. Once in a while I'll have to clean the top here with a rag, so it doesn't have too much dust up there. That's all there is to it. Yeah, so this is it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you guys see me on my next video. Thanks.